Are you struggling to manage your order book? Well, today I have Geoff from PSL Datatrack in the studio who might have a solution for you. So Geoff, tell me how this software can help people manage their own order books.
Tom, it's very easy for subcontractors just to accept orders, but you've got to be careful that when you accept orders, they're going to be realistically deliverable on time. So you've got a number of things to manage. You've got make-to-order orders, you've got Kanban, you've got schedules, you've got call-offs. Put that in a mixed bag, and that can be quite a complex thing to manage. Datatrack will help you organise your entire order book, see forecasts, see trends, track stock levels and so on. When you make a batch of components, make sure you make the right quantity. Don't produce unnecessary excess stock. That's effectively dead money if you're not careful. So manage your orders properly, make the right quantities at the right time to the right quality, get them out the door on time, maintain your on-time deliveries, and your customer will be happy.
So if people are struggling with their order books and would like to know more about this software, how can they get in contact with you guys?
You can visit our website at www.psldatatrack.com.